Hello, everybody.
Hey.
Good morning.
Why I got this?
All right, so first question. What do you call this part of your body? Like, to me, I would say the inside of your elbow.
Well, I don't know. Probably front elbow.
Front elbow.
Y'all don't kill me. We don't say that. I don't know.
I don't know. Probably front.
Inner elbow?
In our elbow? That makes valid sense to me. Okay. All right, dismissal.
School over.
School over.
Or you can say school over, donkey turn over.
Donkey turn over. What is donkey turn over? School over, donkey turn. Ooh, donkey turn over.
Turn over.
School over, donkey turn over. All right. Smelly. It tinky.
Yeah, you can say tinky or fronzy.
Fronzy.
You got choker.
Fronzy.
Fronzy.
That sounds like French.
Frownzy. Frown. Like
Like-
you're frowning.
Frownsy.
Yeah, that's what I meant.
That's what you're saying. You're saying frownsy, but
Frownzy.
you're saying fronzy.
Yeah, or if you're not have on the deodorant, you're green.
I know that word. Okay, so you know you musty then you green.
Yeah, musty is
But
green.
you poop in here, you're frownsy.
Frowns in
You
my-
tinky.
Yes.
Tinky.
Yes, look at you.
Okay.
You ready, babe?